To combine like terms, we need to add or subtract like expressions. Like expressions will have the same letter with the same exponent. So for the first one, we have 17x plus 2x. The coefficients are the numbers in front of the letter. In this case, it's the 17 and the 2. And they both have an x for it, so it's 17x plus 2x would just be 19x. Nothing else we got to do with it. The next one, y plus 5y. Y is the same thing as writing 1y, so 1y plus 5y. 1 plus 5 is 6, and we would have 6y. It's like adding or subtracting like common items. So if I had 1 blueberry muffin plus 5 blueberry muffins, well, that would be 6 blueberry muffins. Next one, we have 4x squared plus 15x squared. That would be 4 plus 15 is 19, and we have an x squared. The next one, we have negative x squared plus 17x squared. This is the same thing as writing negative 1x squared plus 17x squared. So negative 1 plus 17 is a positive 16, and the x squared. So for example, we can't combine 2x plus 3y. We can't do anything with this. That's already done. Or if we had a 4x to the third plus 6x to the squared, we can't do anything with that because the exponents are both different. The one below here, we got 4r minus 6r plus 8 plus r. This is the same thing as 4r minus 6r plus 8 plus 1r. So I'm going to combine all the r's first. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus that 1 is negative 1, or negative 1r. And then we have the plus 8, and that's our answer. Or we may write that as negative r plus 8. We don't have to write the 1. Next one, we have 2x plus 9x squared minus 7x plus 8x squared. The like terms are the 2x and the negative 7x. Those go together, which make a negative 5x. And then we have the x squares. We have a positive 9x squared and a positive 8x squared, which is 17x squared. And that's our answer. We can't do anything else other than the 17x squared minus 5x. We're done at that point. The next one, we do have to look at it kind of closely. That this first term here is different than the rest because it's b to the 4th, whereas the other ones are b to the 5th and b to the 5th. So that's not a match. So I'm just going to rewrite that first term. There's nothing else to simplify it with it. b to the 4th, c to the 5th. But the next part, these two terms here are a match. They're both b to the 5th and c to the 4th. Those are a match. So 5 minus 3 is a positive 2. So I'm going to write a plus 2, b to the 5th, c to the 4th, and we're done. If you have any kind of questions, please ask your math teacher.